Bless your body and mind, a prayer for health. Time flows like a quiet river, carrying memories, joys, and even regrets. As we reach middle age, we suddenly realize that we have traveled a long journey, one filled with achievements to be proud of, mistakes to let go of, moments of pure happiness, and sorrows that still linger. When we wake up in the morning, we are no longer in a rush like in our younger years. Instead, we take a moment to acknowledge our presence in this world. Morning prayer for middle-aged and elderly people is not just a wish. It is a way to find peace within our souls, to bless our bodies, to bless our bodies, to bless our bodies. Because only when we are healthy can we continue to love, to enjoy life, and to move forward on our journey. At this stage of life, we may have endured pain, both physical and emotional. Some mornings, we wake up with aching joints, slower steps, restless nights, or perhaps an emptiness when our children have grown, when friends gradually become fewer. But instead of letting these things weigh us down, we can learn to cherish ourselves, to find strength in our minds, and to pray for optimism as we continue our path. Today, let us come together in this morning prayer to send ourselves a fresh wave of energy, to recognize that each day is a priceless gift. Let these prayers be a guiding light, helping us find peace and lasting health. Dear Lord, Almighty One, full of love and compassion, I offer this morning prayer, asking you to bless my body, that I may have enough strength to continue my journey in life. Please grant me a resilient heart, a steadfast spirit, and a peaceful mind, so that I may face all of life's challenges. Give me the strength to embrace each day with gratitude and hope, no matter what yesterday was like. As the Dalai Lama once said, the purpose of life is not to conquer others, but to conquer oneself. Today, I pray that I may overcome my own pain, both in body and in soul. Please help me find peace in my most uncertain moments. When my body feels weary, grant me restoration. When my heart carries old wounds, grant me forgiveness, not only for others but also for myself. I pray that, even as the years leave their marks upon my face, my heart remains filled with love and optimism. Help me see the light, even in my darkest days, so that I never lose faith in myself or in life. Grant me the ability to find beauty, even in the smallest of things, so that I may understand that each day brings a new opportunity to love, to learn, and to grow, no matter how great the trials of life may be. I believe that you are always walking beside me, guiding me on the path ahead. Amen. Dear Lord, I kneel before you with humility and a heart full of gratitude. I know that life is not always easy, but I believe that every challenge I face is a precious lesson, one that you want me to learn. Please grant me the patience to receive each lesson with an open heart, so that I do not complain, do not grow weary, but instead find perseverance, strength, and unwavering faith in you. Lord, I ask you to grant me a grateful heart, so that each morning when I open my eyes, I do not only see difficulties or things that are incomplete, but I recognize the countless blessings you have given me: health, family, friends, love, and above all, your presence in my life. Teach me to cherish the little things that I often take for granted: a deep breath, a warm meal, a clear blue sky, a loving smile. Please bless my body, so that I may wake up each day with a healthy body, a peaceful soul, and a mindful spirit. Heal the wounds within me, both physical and emotional. If I feel weary, please restore me. If I carry pain, please soothe me. If there are wounds from the past that remain unhealed, Please help me release them, so I may walk forward in peace. Lord, if there is someone today who feels lonely, please touch their heart and remind them that they are never alone, that you are always beside them, loving them unconditionally. If there is someone battling illness, please grant them healing, strength, and hope. If there is someone burdened by past wounds, please help them let go, forgive, and find freedom. For as your word says, cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. 1 Peter 5:7. Lord, I surrender all my worries, my burdens, my fears into your hands. I trust that you will carry them for me, that you will transform every challenge into an opportunity, every sorrow into joy, and every hardship into strength. I pray that today will be a good day, a day filled with love, light, and peace. Please grant me a strong heart to love, even when I have been hurt, clear eyes to see goodness, even in the darkest moments, and steady feet to walk the path of truth, even when I cannot yet see the destination. No matter what tomorrow brings, I believe that you are always with me, guiding me, protecting me. Amen. Dear friend, we have just spent a quiet moment in morning prayer, a sacred pause to begin the day with peace. Now, I invite you to reflect and share your thoughts. What part of today's prayer touched your heart the most? Is there anything you would like to add to make this prayer even more meaningful to you? Would you like to offer a prayer for someone you love? Leave a comment below, or if you wish, share a personal story about how you find peace in your daily life. This community is not just a place for prayer, but also a place for us to connect, encourage, and support one another. If you found this prayer meaningful, please share it with someone you love, because they too may need a word of encouragement this morning. Wishing you a day filled with peace, health, and light. Remember, every day is a gift, and you are a precious gift to this world.